Hello, friends! Today we are going to learn two important phrases in English, used to and didn't used to. They sound tricky, but don't worry, we'll make it fun and easy to understand. Are you ready? Let's get started. We use used to when we talk about something we did it in the past, but we don't do it anymore. It's like saying, it was something I did before, but not now. For example, look at this. This is Max. Max used to play with his toy truck every day. But now, Max doesn't play with the truck anymore. He used to, but now he doesn't. Next example. I used to eat ice cream every Saturday, but now I prefer fruit. I don't eat ice cream every Saturday anymore. To make a sentence with used to, we follow this simple rule. First, we put a subject, then used to, and then a verb. For example, I used to eat pizza. Next example, I used to play tennis. Here, I is the subject, used to is the phrase, and play tennis is the action. Let's practice. Can you say, I used to ride a bike? Great! How about this? She used to play piano. Can you say it too? Now, let's learn about didn't used to. We use this when we are talking about something we didn't do in the past, but now we do. For example, Tom didn't used to like rice, but now he loves rice. Next example, I didn't used to swim, but now I swim every week. So we use didn't used to when we want to say we didn't do something before, but we do it now. Making sentences with didn't used to is easy. The structure is just like used to, but we add didn't before used to. Let's try. I didn't used to eat vegetables. How about she didn't used to read books? Now it's your turn. I'm going to show you some situations and I want you to guess what the character used to or didn't used to do. What did Sarah used to do? Was it she used to play football or she didn't used to play football? Correct. She used to play football. What did he used to eat? Did he used to eat ice cream or he didn't used to eat ice cream? Yes, he used to eat ice cream. What about this? She used to wear glasses or she didn't used to wear glasses. Good. She didn't used to wear glasses. Last but not least, I used to have a car or I didn't used to have a car. Yes, I didn't used to have a car. Great job today. Now you know how to use used to and didn't used to talk about things you did in the past but don't do now and things you didn't do in the past but do now. Keep practicing and soon you'll be a grammar expert. See you next time. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun English lessons.